Hello children. Good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the previous class we have discussed this lesson, right? Stay healthy and safe. In this class I'll give you whole notes about this lesson. Okay. Generally first we'll discuss the hard words now. We shall see one after one. First one is what children? Habit. H-A-B-I-T. Habit. Second one is healthy. 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 Third one is what? Trim. Trim. Fourth one, energy. 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 Okay, fifth one is what? Body. 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 Sixth one is what? Building. 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 Okay, once again I'm saying listen. Building. Building. Next, seventh one is what children? Protective. Protective. Okay, I have cut this into four parts. Read like this. Protective. Protective. Eighth one is exercise. 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 Okay. Exercise. Exercise. Ninth one is what? Accident. Accident. This is E children. E. Okay. E. Small e. I wrote here. E. Accident. Accident. Tenth one is what? Crackers. 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 Okay. Next 11th one is what children? Injure. You'll get hurt. No, that one. Injure. Jure. Injure. Last one is what? First aid. First spelling you know. FIRST. First aid. 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 Okay. These are the hard words. You can learn them. I will erase it. You can take the screenshot and write down anywhere and learn. Okay. Wait once. Now it is okay now? You can write it down. 12 are there. I will send this down. This one, note it down. Now moving to the next. Of the hard words, what are there? Tick the correct answers. First question I am reading. See, we should always follow such habits that help us stay. What habits we should follow? First one is healthy. Wait. Healthy, unhealthy, both. What is the answer? Which habits we should follow? Healthy habits. So answer is A. Healthy. Okay. We should follow every time healthy habits. Okay. Next, second one is what? Wheat is an example of this food. Wheat comes under what? There are three types of food: energy giving, body building, protective food. Wheat will come under the energy giving food, that is carbohydrates. Okay, wheat is an energy giving food. So A is our answer. Energy giving. I am erasing it. Note it down. Now moving to the next, third one. Tick the correct answers. Wait for a while. I am zooming. See friends now. Third question, what is there children? Mark the odd one out. Means they have given three figures. In this, which is odd, which is different, you should tick that one. If you observe here, what is there? Milk. Next, bread is there. Next, what are there? Eggs are there. In these three, which is odd means bread. Why? Because see, milk is what? Body building food. Eggs also will come under the body building food. Yes or no? That are proteins. Okay, milk and eggs are proteins, but bread doesn't come under that. This is a energy giving food. Okay, this comes under the carbohydrates. So both milk and this what? Eggs come under the one category. Okay, so which is the answer now here? Bread is our answer because this is a different type. B is our answer. Tick the answer as B because milk and eggs will come under what? Bodybuilding food. Okay, remember, milk, eggs are the bodybuilding food. Next one, what? This one is there, no, bread. This is the what? It is the energy giving food, that is the carbohydrate. So this is our answer. Next, moving to the fourth one. This food prevents us from falling ill. That means what? Without getting disease, which food will help you? I told you protective food, that is vitamins and minerals. What is there in that? Ghee, butter, these comes under fats. Which will fight with the diseases? Fruits and vegetables, I told, that is protective food. Answer is what? Orange. ORANGE. Okay. Orange is our answer. Last one is what, children? Identify the situation in which you are observing the safety rules. In this they have given 3, no? In this, which is the safety rule they are asking you to tick? Okay, what is the answer? We shall see. In the first picture, what he is doing, he is going to hit a bird, and here the boy is also reading, so this is wrong. Second one, he is playing. They are playing cricket. If we kick the ball, what will happen? It may go and hurt this person. So this is also wrong. Now we shall move to third one. See, the boy is using the scissors. Esona is cutting the papers, and there her mother also is there. So she will guide him how to take care. So this is the safety rule. Third one, C is our answer. Okay. First one here B, next one is also B, last one is the C. I am erasing it. You can check. Okay. After this next bit, B bit is what, children? Fill in the blanks. Can you see? First one is what now? We should brush our teeth dash a day. How many times I told you to brush daily? Twice. That means 2 times. What is the spelling of twice? TWICE. Okay, twice. 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 We should brush our teeth daily 2 times. Okay. Next. Second one is what, children? We should take bath dash. How many times you should take your bath? Daily you should take your bath. Some will do alternate days. Yes or no? That's wrong. Daily you should take your bath. What is the spelling of daily? DAILY. Okay, I am writing here. You see, DAI. Sorry, it's looking like J. Wait, I am erasing it. Once again I am writing. See, children. See. This is D. Okay. DAI. You listen what I am saying. DAILY. Daily. This is the answer. Next one is what? We should we should dash our hands before and after eating our food. Before and after eating our food, what we should do? Wash our hands. So answer is what? Wash. 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 I'm saying spelling again. See, WASH. Fourth one is what, children? Eating excess of dash can spoil our teeth. If you eat more and more, what food it will spoil your teeth? I told sugar. What is the spelling of sugar? SUGAR. Okay, SUGAR. This is our answer. Sugar. Eating excess of sugar can spoil our teeth. Fifth one is what? Never touch an electric switch with dash hands. With what hands? I told dry hands or wet hands? Wet. Tadi chetulto muttukokudadu. WET is the spelling. Okay, WE. This is E. Wet. Now we can note it down. I am erasing this. Take a pic screenshot and write it down. I am erasing everything. Because if I erase, you can see clearly, no? That's why I am rubbing every time. Next one. Last. C bit is what is there here. Is it okay now? True or false? First one is what? We get energy by eating fish. Yes or no? If we eat the fish, we'll get energy or not? Yes. Answer is true. T. I am writing for true as T. For false, I am writing as F. Second one, eating papaya regularly keeps us healthy. Yes or no? That is a vitamin food. So answer is true. That is T. Third one, our fingernails should be long. Is it true? No. Wrong. Our fingernails should be very short and they must be clean every time. But they get long. So it is false. Fourth one is what? We should be alert not to hurt any living being while we play. Yes or no? While playing, you should not hurt any other animals or any other persons. Any living being we should not hurt. They give true. Last one. We should exercise only once a month. No, false. We should do exercise daily, not monthly. Okay? I am erasing it now. Here you can see, no, first one is true, second is true, false, true, false. Okay, this one you are confusing. I am writing here true. This is the true. Other ones all you can see, no. Now moving to the next one. After true or false, what is their last bit is match the following, then question answers. I am zooming it, see once. Okay, see now, already I have written all answers. Now these are them as the following. First one is what? Protective food. That means vitamins and minerals. Among these all 5 types of food, which food is protective for us? I told protective food means fruits and vegetables. Here what fruit is there? Apple. Okay, apple is the protective food. Next one is what? Sugar coated food. I am writing with other color. Sugar coated food is what? Sweets. Okay, in sweets sugar will be coated, no? That one. Next one is what, children? Energy giving food. That means carbohydrates is what? Rice, wheat comes under the energy giving food. Third one is A. Fourth one, junk food means oil, fat foods you'll eat, no, pizzas, burgers, those one. Here burger is there, so junk food goes under the burger. Okay, last one is what? Bodybuilding food is what? Soya bean. It will help in the growth of your body. Bodybuilding food is soya bean. Okay, by this we completed all the bits. Next we shall see the question answers, short question answers. One after one I'll show you. Okay, these are the short question answers, children. First question, what is there? See, what might happen if we eat a lot of oily food? What will happen if you eat lot of oily food, that is fats? You will become very fat. Yes or no? And you'll get a disease called what I told? Obesity. Okay, I wrote here answer. See, if we eat a lot of oily food, we may put on weight, means we may increase our weight and become obese. I told no, obesity disease. Obese spelling is what? OBESC. What is the answer? I have underlined. You can see, no, this one. See which one I underline is the main answer, but you should write whole in the sentence. Whole will be there in the question only. What is the answer? You need to write here. If we eat a lot of oily food, we may put on weight and become obese. Now we shall move to second question. What is there? How should our nails be? I told what? Our nails should be short and clean. Okay, they must be short and clean. Now moving to the third question. See here. Name any one bodybuilding food. Milk, eggs, meat, fish, all these are the bodybuilding food. Any one you can write. You can write here milk, eggs, fish, anything. Meats all. Meat means what? All this you'll eat? No. Non-veg. That's one. Next one is what? Fourth question. Name a cloth material that should, here nothing is there, children, that should not be worn while working in a kitchen. I told when the stove is lighted, you should not wear this type of clothes and go. What did I told for you? Nylon. Okay, in swimming pools when we go near while doing swimming, we'll wear the nylon dresses. No, how sticky they will be. They stick to our body. Such clothes you should not wear when you go into the kitchen. Why? Because immediately they will catch fire and you may get burnt. So what is the answer? Nylon cloth material. NYLON. Nylon is a cloth material that should not be worn while working in a kitchen. Okay. Next, last short question is what? Name any two things which children should do only in the presence of the adults. Means only in front of your parents or grandparents only you should do those works. What are they? Any two they are asking. First one what I gave, while using a pair of scissors. Okay, while working with the scissor, your adult, okay, your parents or grandparents, anybody should be there in front of you so that they'll guide you how to use these scissors. Second one is what? While crossing the road. Okay, you're small children, you don't know all the traffic rules properly and how to cross the road, because suppose if you are going on a highway from back side vehicles will come, from front side it will come, you don't know how to manage. That's why if your adults are there, they will take you carefully. Okay, by this we completed the short answers. You can note it down. See now here I am erasing so that you can write clearly. Now is it okay? I am erasing everything. You can note it down clearly. Now take a screenshot and write it down. We shall move to long answers. First question. I will zoom it, wait. First question is what, children? Write any two ways in which you can take care of your body. How to take care of your body? They are asking us to give any two methods. First one what I gave, we should bath daily to keep our body germ free. Okay, we should bath. Here no need of E, if you write BATH also enough. We should bath daily to keep our body germ free. Okay, without entering germs into our body, we should do our bath regularly, that is daily. Second one is what? We need to brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and at bedtime. Okay, daily you should brush your teeth 2 times a day, when morning and night time when you are going to sleep after your dinner. Now note it down, I am rubbing this one. Bath spelling here you write just this BATH enough. Okay, no need of this A. BATH. Now moving to the second question, children. What are the three types of food? I told for you in food mainly there will be three types. No, first one is what? Energy giving food. Second is body building food, and the last is the protective food. Energy giving food examples are what? Rice, wheat. I gave two examples also in each one so that you'll remember no properly. Next one is body building food. That is example what? Milk, eggs. Last one protective food means fruits and vegetables. I told apple, spinach. So these are the three types of food and their examples. Energy giving food, body building food and protective food. These are the examples. You can note it down. Now moving to the third question. Why is it important to sleep on time? Why we should sleep at correct time daily? Because if you sleep at correct time daily only, you can wake up freshly in the early morning. Yes or no? And if you sleep properly only, your memory will be good and you can concentrate properly on the studies and you'll be able to learn anything easily if your mind is fresh only. Your mind should be fresh means you should take the enough sleep, that is enough rest daily. Then only you can work properly in the next following day. So what is the answer I have given? It is important to sleep on time because to wake up fresh in the next morning. That is the answer. For waking up fresh in the next morning, we need to sleep at the proper time. Now moving to the fourth question. See, mention any two things that you can do to stay safe at home. For being safe at home, they are asking us to give any two reasons. First one is what? We should never touch an electric switch with wet hands. Yes or no? Wet means what I told? Tadi chetulu. Okay, with the wet hands, we should not at all touch the electrical switches. Second one is what? While playing games, we need to be careful not to hurt animals and our friends. Just now only I told no, if you are playing any games, you should play at a place where there any other person should be not there. Like who they are doing other work, if you play there, it may go and hurt them, whatever you are playing with, ball or anything. Okay. And if animals are there also, they also will get hurt. So you should say is play in a place where nobody is there. Next one. Am I erasing it? Note it down. Okay. Last question in this lesson. What is first aid? You all know this. See, what is the first aid, children? The first immediate help that an injured person needs to be given after an accident is called as a first aid. Okay, if you get any hurt accidentally, immediately what we should do? We should take the first aid kit. In everybody's home, first aid kit will be there, and it should be there also. In that, what will be there? All some tablets, ointments, antiseptic, some lotions, all those will be there. Cotton, such type will be there. With this, we will take the treatment first if you got injured anywhere, and later we should take that person immediately to the doctor who got affected. Okay, this is the answer. Note it down. Okay. In the previous paper, I have not shown you properly. No, I am zooming. Okay, now you can note it down. How many questions are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are there. You can see and note it down. This is the, take the screenshot and write. Next one is the first aid question. Here it is there. Okay, by this we have completed our second lesson notes also. If you are having any doubts, please contact me or put in the comment box. If you read these notes perfectly, you can become perfect in the second lesson. In the next class, I will come with one more lesson, children. Till then, bye. Take care. If you like this if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel is Smart Study. Share this video to your friends also. So in this lockdown time, it may be helpful for them, because you are not having textbooks, right? In this COVID-19 this time, we can't go outside. At the home only you should be there. Simply with the help, if you are having one rough books also, you can listen the lesson, everything. I am giving the notes also. You can listen and you can help your friends also. Thank you. Bye.